Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan SE. This one's red. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 200 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. Beige interior. Panorama sunroof. Around back, Tiguan, 2-liter turbo 4Motion badging. Opening up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. Alongside, power windows. Hopping in, steering wheel controls. We've got our media display, navigation, climate controls, automatic transmission. This Tiguan has 104,957 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volkswagen, check out feldmannimports.com.